told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Right lads, firstly, let us know what you thought of that footage there now, so a bit more kind of like cinematic, and also let's try to get 30 likes on this video. So that that kind of footage takes a while to do and takes a while to edit, so hit the thumbs up button if you liked it, and let us know down the bottom as well if you liked it. Right, back onto this yacht here now. She's been sitting in the shed for ages. I ordered stickers for it. They came, and then I never kind of really got doing it because I was back trying to get the quad going again. So we're going to throw stickers on the shock today. So I have a heap of stickers here, just a few different ones, GoPro ones at the back, and then these are all kind of random ones. So we're going to throw them onto this yoke. We also have this back kind of wing, remember, that frigged up on us, to try cover that up somehow, and see if we can make it look half decent. So we'll see what happens. There we have it, lads. What do you think? There was no plan to this whatsoever, so I just kind of started sticking away. Some of those actually turned out pretty cool. I've never done this before, so let me know in the comments what you think. Very quickly threw them on. Still have a few left over, but I think I might have enough on, to be honest. That one was on before. This is this side. And then this is the mess here that we try to thing up, so this is probably the worst part, but what can you do? So again, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this? I'm really happy with the tail. I think it looks cool.